Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to add music in iMovie. Also I wonder why you want to know how to add music in iMovie. Maybe you want to create a reel on which you want to upload a music and you don't know how to do it. Or maybe you're doing any kind of project in which you have to upload a music in the background of the video and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you have already installed the iMovie from App Store. And if you have not installed it, first you have to install it. After that you just have to simply tap on its icon to open the iMovie. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. At the bottom we have three options. The first two options are for those in which the app will create any kind of video on its own, but we have to go with the third option because with the help of that we can easily edit or customize our video. Once you click on it, after that you have to get those videos or photos that you want to edit. You can select multiple ones or you can select a single one. You just have to simply tap on it and those videos or pictures will get selected. And once you're done choosing your videos or photos, you just have to simply click on this last option which says create movie. Once you tap on it, it will gather your selected video into the app and after that you can easily edit it. So here you can see this is the video that we selected and now we will see how we can add music behind it. Here you can see we have this plus icon. Once you tap on it, with the help of that we can easily import any kind of stuff into the app. For example, if you want to add music, once you click on it, you will see all these options. And from all these options, at the middle of it, you will see this option which says audio, this one. Once you tap on it, you will be able to add any kind of audio, music, sound, whatever you call it. You can do that. Also, you can do a voiceover with the help of voiceover option. Once you click on audio, you will get three options. So here we have three options. The first option in soundtrack. In soundtrack, the music is available by the app itself. You just have to download it and it will be added on your videos. Here you can see we have multiple options of the music available. You can choose any one of these. You just have to simply download it and then you can add those musics or sounds on your video. And if you select my sounds, then the music or sounds that are installed in your mobile phone, you can use them. And with the help of last options, you can add any kind of sound effects on your videos like clapping, any kind of joke sound and different kind of sounds that we listen on the backgrounds of the videos. So if you want to go with any one of these options, you can do that. First you have to listen it and if you like it, you can apply it on your video like this. So it is very simple and very easy. You just have to listen the music and if you like that you can add it on your videos. So here you can see I have selected this sound and now this sound is actually added on my video. So likewise you can also do that. If you want to do some different kind of editing, you can also do that. You can trim it, you can increase or decrease its volume. It's all up to you. Whatever you prefer, you can do that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add music on videos in iMovie. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel and thank you for watching the video.